Hi guys, today I'm back with another one of my videos, and today we are going to do clear slime. Yeah, so let's get into it. Oh yeah, and one question, comment down below what you want me to do for my next slime video. Okay, let's get to it. Okay, I will be right back. One mishap. Okay guys, now that I'm back, first thing you want to do is put your clear glue in. I am using Elmer's clear glue. So let's pour that in. Okay, you guys, I poured it in. And after that, you want to put a tiny bit of water. Like, you guys, just a tiny bit. Like that much. Okay, you guys? So next, you stir that in. Then I will see you guys after I stir that in. Okay, you guys, after you stir that in, you want to put your coloring in. I'm using green, but you could do any color you want. So just put that in and stir that up. After you do that, you want to take your liquid starch, or you could do other activator. I'm just using this. And put a little at a time. Then when it starts forming your slime, I will see you guys when my slime is made. Yeah guys, so that is all for my video. I hope you like it. Remember to subscribe, like, and if you subscribe and like and hit that bell, 3 people will get a $100 Amazon gift card. So remember to do that. Bye guys, I hope you like this video.